Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Hamidi. The brand Hamidi is quite well known now because of one perfume from them which is called Hamidi Addicted Intense, and that one is a very good or an amazing Creed Aventus clone or an alternative to it, and that's why when the quality of it impressed me so much, I had to go and get another perfume from them to see how they are doing. So this one in particular called Black Oud Hamidi. So this says non-alcoholic eau de toilette, which is quite unusual for Middle Eastern brands. So this is from United Arab Emirates. So as usual, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price. So this one in United Kingdom you can find under £20. Presentation is very nice. It's like sitting in this gallery. But before I do this unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. You can help me, motivate me, encourage me to make videos like this in future, to bring you these amazing fragrances for very, very affordable prices. And also your help, you will take this channel a long way, and I survive much longer on this journey, on this endeavor. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So very, very nice box. As always, the attention to detail is very, very good, especially for a price under £20. Sorry about the noise. So it sits in here like a gallery. Very nice, good looking bottle. So Hamidi Black Oud EDT, targeted unisex, and let's see how it goes. So the cap is plastic, nothing to say, and atomizer is modern and gold. Here we go. Very, very good. It gives a big mist. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. So how is Hamidi where is it? Black Oud Intense Eau de Toilette, which is quite unusual for Middle Eastern fragrances. There we go. First impression. Ooh, big leather, massive leather, and the leather is dark and black. Woody. Wood is in the background right now, but I can feel some woody, deep woodiness to it. Spicy, aromatic. It's very aromatic. It's like a lavender, or maybe a combination of lavender and a violet leaf, because it's got a little bit of powderiness to it as well. Definitely herbal and green. So it's herbal, it's green, it's leafy, it's grassy, but on the dark side, not the fresh grass, not a light grass, fresh grass. No, it's a dark one. It's like you're walking in the very dark woods and you smelling those vegetations, quite dark. At the moment it's a little bit on the citrusy side as well, but not much, a little bit, maybe bergamot, lemon, maybe even grapefruit, but just tiny bit, not much. But because there are so many big hitters in here, you're just getting lost in here. Some floral notes. I'm smelling something like a white floral at the moment, but again it's very faint in the background, very, very faint, because it's got some softness to it as well. Goodness me, what a smell. Under 20 quid. First thing first, this is not for everybody, because this is super dark. As it says, Black Oud. It's very black. It's woody, is dark, is herbal, is grassy, is leafy, is wood trunky, wood chippy. It's almost muddy, um, dark wood, brown to black woods. Little bit of aromatic feel to it, maybe lavender in here. Herbal notes definitely, little bit of spicy tinge to it. Goodness me, this is amazing for under 20 quid. The leather is coming up even stronger, so it's quite leathery, and the leather here on the dark side of the leather is a bit black leather. It's quite realistic, is almost pungent to the animalic side. It's not animalic, but it just bordering animalic. Is so pungent and realistic, the leather. It's like you went to a leather workshop and suddenly that hits you with that smell of deep pungent leather, realistic leather. It hits in your face. So again, it's not for everybody. This is for people who know what they're doing. Yeah, the oud and the woods are in the background, but they're coming up slowly. Goodness me, what a smell. I can smell something watery in here in the same time, which is crazy. Why? Why put something watery in such a dark fragrance? Anyway, so I can smell something like a smoky cedar in here as well. So it's a little bit on the smoky side. Yeah, definitely smoky. But what a smell. But not for everybody. This is definitely mature nose, masculine. This is leans masculine. Definitely, I would say at least 60% masculine, 40% feminine. Definitely for people who like their unusual fragrances, because it's quite unusual. It's quite dark. It's quite almost gothic dark. So you can see the coloration is quite appropriate here. It's got some softness to it from the aromaticness, like lavender, and also a little bit of floral in the background. But overall, is very dark. It's not those ones are not doing it at the moment that much. So overall, dark, leathery, woody, oudy, herbal, spicy, smoky, dark, grassy, leafy, trunky, wood chippy. They done it again. This people, the Middle Eastern houses, amazing. Anyway, so in the next video, I'll let you know the longevity for development, things like that. But for now, yes, 2 thumbs up. Although it's not for everybody, it is my cup of tea because I'm a middle-aged man. I'm a Middle Eastern man myself. And this is what I like in fragrances, something unusual, which is this one is giving me. Ooh, something coming up like a leafy tobacco now. What is going on? So leafy tobacco is coming up, and the tobacco here is like smoky tobacco as well. What a complex fragrance. Okay guys, so for the first impression, first sniff, yes, but not for everybody. 100% not for everybody. This is for people who like unusual, dark, almost gothic fragrances, okay? So I'll let you know in the next video the rest of it. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you for your help. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own perfumes. Yes, they are unusual, artistic, very intriguing, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, very artistic, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.